example from Prestige University, Stanford. As all of you have heard a very old saying that to seek education, you should go far all the boundaries, and even if you have to travel to China, you should do that. But now, you don't have to do that. You don't have to waste all that money, because Prestige University will bring quality education right here at your doorstep. Right now, Prestige University have currently 10,000 students enrolled in different programs all across our campuses. We got unmatchable strength of alumni students, which include 50,000 of them. That is our strength. Our campuses are located in major cities all across Pakistan that include Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi, and Ahmedabad. This is fantastic. Our faculty is all PhD, and their research is not being accepted here in Pakistan, but has also been accepted all across the world. This shows our strength, and this actually is what you all want. Now, this is not it. Our MBA is growing with passage of time. What we did is that just to make our MBA go from strength to strength, we went into the industry and looked into the market environment. We looked into different circumstances where we could make our MBA according to the organization requirements. Our board of directors, our faculty sat with the organization heads, and they looked into their requirements, and then we implanted those environments into our MBA program. So right now our MBA is actually catering to the market requirement. And I can tell you with authority that our MBA is not going to be number one in Islamabad, not going to be number one in Pakistan, it's going to be number one across Asia. Our MBA is being offered in different business disciplines that include HR, finance, accounting, and also the marketing part as well. So whatever you want, our MBA will give it to you. I see right here the future of Pakistan, and being part of an organization and being part of an institution which is growing with every passage of time, and it's been there for the last 25 years, I can guarantee right here, right now, that we're going to give to the future of Pakistan the next Mr. Bill Gates, the next Mr. Bernard of Virgin Airlines, the next tycoon. And I can see right here, right now, all the tycoons sitting over here. All you have to do is just to achieve your dreams, is to be part of Prestige University. Our classroom environment is fantastic. Here, everyone teaches, everyone learns. Our business, what we do in our class environment is that we give our students the live business dilemmas and problems. So as a student, not only you're part of a conflict, but you're going to solve that conflict as well. So that's your strength. All I can say at the end of from my side is that come to our institution, be part of our institution, and be part of life-changing experience, be part of Prestige University. Thank you very much.